A winter weather alert has just been issued for 17 states. Severe thunderstorm warnings are about to go up across the Gulf Coast, and in the next 48 hours, over 80 million Americans will experience weather that could shut down schools, close highways, and cancel flights. The models have changed again in the last 6 hours, and what I am about to tell you is critical for tomorrow and Saturday. In exactly 30 seconds, I will give you the hour-by-hour breakdown for your specific city. But first, you need to see what is happening right this minute across the country because it is unlike anything we have seen this winter. Right now, at this very second, temperatures are 74 degrees in Oklahoma City, 68 degrees in Kansas City, 70 degrees in Little Rock. These are not April temperatures, this is February 10th. And this extreme warmth is colliding with cold air in a way that is setting up a dangerous situation for tomorrow night and all day Saturday. Here is the number that should get your attention immediately. The low-pressure system developing over Texas tonight will strengthen to 998 millibars by Saturday afternoon. That is equivalent to a Category 1 hurricane strength. And it is going to race across the southern United States at 40 miles per hour, faster than most people drive on residential streets. Let me give you the timeline that matters most. The next 48 hours. That is all we are focused on right now because this is when your life will be impacted. Tomorrow, Friday, February 13th, is when everything begins. And I need you to listen carefully to the timing for your area. For those in West Texas, El Paso, Midland, Odessa, your weather stays quiet through Friday. You are not in the impact zone for this system. Lucky you. But Dallas and Fort Worth, here is your critical timeline. Tomorrow morning wakes up cloudy with temperatures in the upper 50s. By noon Friday, light rain begins moving in from the southwest. Between 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. Friday afternoon, rain becomes moderate to heavy. Your evening commute Friday will be wet with visibility dropping to less than half a mile in the heaviest downpours. Overnight Friday into Saturday morning between midnight and 6 a.m., thunderstorms develop. Some could be strong with lightning, gusty winds up to 35 miles per hour, and heavy rain. By Saturday at 9 a.m., the line of storms moves east of your area. Total rainfall 2 to 3 inches. Temperatures drop from 68 Friday afternoon to 48 by Saturday evening. Houston, Galveston, and Beaumont, your window is tighter but more intense. Friday stays mostly dry until evening. Between 6 p.m. Friday and midnight, scattered showers develop. The main event hits Saturday morning between 3 a.m. and 10 a.m. This is when severe weather is most likely. Damaging winds up to 50 miles per hour, frequent lightning, torrential rain with rates exceeding 2 inches per hour, and a low but non-zero tornado threat. By Saturday at 2 p.m., storms exit to your east. Rainfall totals 3 to 5 inches with isolated 6-inch amounts possible. Flash flooding is a real concern, especially in areas with poor drainage. San Antonio, Austin, Shreveport, and Monroe see heavy rain Friday afternoon through Saturday morning. Peak severe weather Friday evening 6 p.m. to midnight with winds 50 to 60 miles per hour, quarter-size hail possible, and tornado threat. Rainfall 4 to 6 inches. Saturday morning clearing begins. Jackson, Hattiesburg, New Orleans, Baton Rouge, Mobile, and Pensacola face severe weather. Saturday morning 4 a.m. to 2 p.m. Strongest storms with 55-mile-per-hour winds. Power outages likely. Heavy rain 2 to 5 inches. Coastal flooding possible along the Gulf. Clearing Saturday afternoon with falling temperatures. Montgomery, Birmingham, and Memphis see storms Friday evening through Saturday noon. Damaging winds main threat. Heavy rain 3 to 5 inches. Temperature crash Saturday afternoon from 60s to 40s. Little Rock and Fort Smith Friday afternoon starting at 2 p.m. Rain begins. Heavy rain and storms Friday evening 6 p.m. to midnight. Peak severe weather threat Friday night between 8 p.m. and 2 a.m. Saturday. This is when winds could gust over 50 miles per hour. Hail up to half-dollar size possible. Brief tornado threat. By Saturday at noon, rain ends. Total rainfall 4 to 6 inches with localized higher amounts. Nashville, Louisville, Lexington, and Paducah see heavy rain Friday night through Saturday afternoon. Main threat is flooding with 3 to 5 inches expected. Not much severe weather for you, but temperatures crash Saturday evening from 50s to 40s. Atlanta and North Georgia face thunderstorms Saturday noon to 8 p.m. Some strong with gusty winds, 1 to 3 inches rain. Sunday morning much colder, low 40s after mid-60s Saturday. Interstate 20 from Birmingham to Atlanta sees hazardous driving Saturday. Macon, Columbus, Tallahassee, and Jacksonville see storms Saturday afternoon through Saturday night. Heavy rain, gusty winds, generally not as severe as areas north. 1 to 2 inches rain, Charlotte and the Piedmont of North Carolina. Here is where things get interesting. Saturday evening brings rain. Overnight Saturday into Sunday morning, as cold air rushes in, there is a possibility of a changeover to freezing rain or sleet across the northern Piedmont and foothills. This is still uncertain, but Sunday morning between 2 a.m. and 10 a.m. could see icy conditions in areas north and west of Charlotte. If this happens, Sunday morning travel could be treacherous. Rainfall 1 to 2 inches before any changeover. Raleigh, Durham, and the Triangle, Saturday night into Sunday morning. Rain, possibly heavy at times. 1 to 2 inches. Temperatures hold above freezing, so no ice expected for you. Windy Sunday with gusts to 40 miles per hour. Greensboro, Winston-Salem, and the Triad, Saturday night into Sunday morning. Rain changing to a wintry mix is possible, especially in higher elevations. Sunday morning could be icy in spots. Monitor forecasts closely if you have Sunday morning travel plans. Asheville and the North Carolina mountains, Saturday night into Sunday. Rain changing to freezing rain, then sleet, then snow. Ice accumulation up to 1/10 of an inch possible. Snow accumulation 1 to 3 inches above 3,500 feet elevation. Hazardous travel Sunday morning. Richmond and areas of central Virginia. Sunday morning brings rain. Cold, but above freezing. 1 to 2 inches of rain. Windy. No winter weather expected. Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Philadelphia, and South Jersey see rain Sunday morning through Monday morning. 1 to 2 inches. Temperatures upper 30s to low 40s. All rain, no winter weather. Windy with gusts to 35 miles per hour. New York City and Tri-State get rain Sunday evening through Monday morning. Moderate to heavy overnight. 1 to 2 inches. Monday morning commute wet. Low 40s, mainly rain. Northern suburbs brief mix Monday morning. Hartford, Boston, Providence, Portland, and coastal New England see rain and snow mix Monday. Coastal areas mostly rain. Interior areas 2 to 6 inches snow. Cape and Islands all rain. Very windy with gusts over 40 miles per hour. Bangor and northern Maine get 3 to 6 inches snow with blowing and drifting. Burlington, Albany, Syracuse, Buffalo, and upstate New York see snow Monday. 2 to 7 inches depending on location. Lake enhancement possible. Travel impacted. Syracuse could see highest amounts near 7 inches. Erie, Cleveland, Akron, Columbus, and Northeast Ohio see rain changing to snow Sunday night into Monday. 1 to 3 inches. Icy during transition. Monday morning commute difficult. Pittsburgh and Morgantown face the most dangerous conditions. Freezing rain likely. Sunday night midnight to 8 a.m. Monday. Ice accumulation 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch. Widespread power outages possible. Trees and power lines down. Monday morning travel could be impossible. This is highest concern area. Plan to stay home Monday morning. Harrisburg, Scranton, and central Pennsylvania see rain mixing with sleet or freezing rain Sunday night. Change over to rain Monday morning. Icy spots possible. 1 to 3 inches snow higher elevations. Cincinnati and Indianapolis get mainly rain Sunday evening into Monday. Some mixing possible late Sunday, but mainly rain. Temperatures marginal around 33 to 35 degrees, 1 to 2 inches liquid. Slick spots possible. Detroit sees rain and snow mix Sunday night into Monday. Mainly rain in the city. Northern suburbs 1 to 2 inches snow. Slushy conditions. Here is your action plan for the next 24 hours. Tonight, charge all devices to 100%. Tomorrow morning, Friday, stock up on water, food, flashlights, batteries before stores get crowded. Friday afternoon, secure outdoor items. 50-mile-per-hour winds turn patio furniture into projectiles. Fill your gas tank Friday evening. Know where your weather radio is. Know your flashlight's location. Have a family communication plan if cell towers fail. Severe weather zone from Texas to Georgia. Identify your safe place now. Interior room, lowest floor, no windows. Mobile home residents find a sturdy building nearby. Storm Prediction Center issues watches Friday afternoon and Saturday. When a watch is posted, stop and check radar. Be ready to act fast. Warnings mean take action immediately. From first thunder to tornado can be 10 minutes. Do not go outside to look or film. Get to safety. Pittsburgh and Appalachian Ice Zone. Sunday night is critical. If ice accumulates, stay home Monday. Ice 1/10 inch makes roads like skating rinks. Power outages likely. Have food requiring no cooking. Have blankets. Have safe heating for one room. This is not hype. This is not exaggeration. This is a dangerous weather setup that will impact tens of millions of people over the next 48 hours. The time to prepare is right now. Tomorrow I will have another update with any changes to the forecast, but the overall setup is locked in. Severe weather Saturday for the South. Heavy rain and potential ice Sunday night into Monday for the Mid-Atlantic and Appalachians. Snow for New England Monday. Comment below with your city and I will reply with specific updates for your location as new information comes in. The most important thing you can do is check back frequently because timing can change by hours, and in severe weather, hours matter. Stay weather aware, stay safe. And I will see you tomorrow with the latest model runs and updated timing information for your specific